Please welcome Jagrit Chandna.
Porbandar, where every corner has its grace, where the soil carries echoes of Gandhiji's embrace, where the waves of the sea dance with a unique flow, love and peace in every breeze blow. Good morning, respected chief guests, dignitaries and jury members present here. Myself Jagrit Chandna from PM Shri School Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Porbandar. Today, I have the privilege of speaking about a city which is both a historical gem and a symbol of peace, Porbandar. The city, nestled on the western coast of Gujarat, is not only known for its rich culture and serene beaches, but also for being the birthplace of one of the greatest leaders in the history of mankind, Mahatma Gandhi. Porbandar, the name that resonates with the echoes of history, where the Arabian Sea whispers the tales of yore. It is here on 2nd October 1869, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the man who would become father of nation, was born. His life and work have left an indelible mark on the world, and Porbandar stands as a living tribute to his legacy. As we delve into the significance of Gandhiji and Porbandar, allow me to share few lines that capture the essence of their intertwined stories. पोरबंदर की गलियों में छिपी कहानी एक पुरानी, पोरबंदर की गलियों में छिपी कहानी एक पुरानी, गांधी जी की जन्मभूमि आध्यात्म की निशानी, गांधी जी की जन्मभूमि आध्यात्म की निशानी, जिनकी राहों ने बदल दी देश की कायनात, जिनकी दी राहों ने बदल दी देश की कायनात, यही शहर यही मिट्टी जिससे मिली हमें आजादी की सौगात, आजादी की सौगात। Porbandar is not just a historical site, but also a pilgrimage for those who seek to understand the roots of Gandhiji's philosophy. Here, in the simplicity of his early years, we find the seeds of his later teachings. The values of non-violence and truth that he championed were nurtured here in the very soil of this city. Let me offer another verse that reflects the deep connection between Gandhiji and their birthplace. जिस मिट्टी में है सत्य और अहिंसा का रंग, जिस मिट्टी में है सत्य और अहिंसा का रंग, वही मेरा पोरबंदर जहां गांधी जी आज भी रहते हैं हमारे संग, आज भी रहते हैं हमारे संग। Porbandar spiritual and cultural landmarks such as Sudama Temple and Harsiddhi Mata Temple enrich city's heritage. These places of worship reflect the diversity and the depth of its history. Gandhiji's teachings have transcended time and geography, reaching far beyond the shores of Porbandar. His principles of non-violence and truth have inspired countless individuals around the globe, and Porbandar stands as a beacon of his legacy, a place where past and present converge to create a legacy of peace and understanding. As we reflect to the significance of Gandhiji's life and Porbandar, we remember these lines. पोरबंदर की हवाओं में बहता है एक सुकून, पोरबंदर की हवाओं में बहता है एक सुकून, गांधी जी की यादों से रोशन दिल में बसा जुनून, गांधी जी की यादों से रोशन दिल में बसा जुनून, कोना कोना जर्रा जर्रा इतिहास की बात सुनाता, कोना कोना जर्रा जर्रा इतिहास की बात सुनाता, ये शहर जीवंत कहानी नई उमंग फैलाता, नई उमंग फैलाता। Let us make Porbandar and our country proud by walking on the path that Bapu laid us for us. In the words of Bapu, be the change that you wish to see in the world. So let us strive to bring that change in everyone's life. चल पड़े हम बापू की दी राहों पर, चल पड़े हम बापू की दी राहों पर, सत्य और अहिंसा का संदेश फैलाएं, सत्य और अहिंसा का संदेश फैलाएं, हर कदम पर याद रहे बापू का उपदेश, हर कदम पर याद रहे बापू का उपदेश, चलो मिलके बापू के सपनों की दुनिया बसाएं, सपनों की दुनिया बसाएं। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।